Using SW2nav, data can be automatically transferred from SOLIDWORKS to Dynamics Business Central or Dynamics Navision. In this example, we will see automatic creation of production BOM in Business Central. Initially, when we search for items in Business Central, they are not found. Now data is transferred just by button click. Items are created first and then production BOM. Status of transaction can be seen in Status dialog. Data is transferred in real time. Now when we search for items, they can be seen in Business Central. Production BOM has also been transferred. It is possible to create assembly BOM also if required. Item attributes have been created from SOLIDWORKS custom properties. It is possible to map attributes to SOLIDWORKS properties based on requirement. Preview is also transferred if it exists for the file. Real-time ERP data can be previewed inside SOLIDWORKS. Here it can be seen that description that has been updated in Business Central can be seen immediately in SOLIDWORKS task pane. Bill of materials can also be previewed in SOLIDWORKS pane. Using BOM Compare functionality, it is possible to compare SOLIDWORKS BOM with real-time ERP BOM. BOM comparison can be a very handy tool if design engineer wants to see differences between working BOM and BOM in ERP. In case of multiple configurations, it is possible to choose which configuration one wants to preview or compare. Here, when SOLIDWORKS BOM has been changed by adding a component, BOM comparison highlights the component row in red color because of component mismatch. Results of BOM difference can be exported to an Excel file. It is possible to send drawing bill of materials also if required. Integration works seamlessly with SOLIDWORKS PDM also. For details, see YouTube video about PDM2nav or visit our website. This functionality can be customized to suit the requirement.